And Lawler back to receive again.
I don't think Coach Niblett's going to flinch. I would expect to see them similar to what they've been doing.
This will be Cook. Webb, excuse me, lets it bounce. Now it hits him. Oh my, inside the one, hit his face mask on the bounce.
Big mistake right there. Goes without saying.
Lets it bounce, then he touches it, and then as it's going out of bounds, hits his helmet. So a special teams miscue now by Hoover.
Kind of the first big break really for the Central Rockets in this game.